Hi, my name is Clare Aslan, and I'm a conservation biologist. I study pollination disruption. That is, if you lose a pollinator animal, what happens to the plants that it pollinated? Are they also going to go extinct through some sort of a chain reaction? I work here in the Hawaiian wet forest, which has a huge number of plants and animals that are found nowhere else in the world. But one thing that's characteristic of these forests is that they've lost most of their native birds. Most of them were driven extinct by a combination of human-introduced predators and human-introduced diseases. Now I'm studying several plants in this forest, and I'm zooming in on one right here. See this flower? It's kind of long, a couple inches actually, curved and shaped like a tube. Now, these flowers, as well as similar flowers in this group known as lobeliads, were once pollinated by native Hawaiian honeycreeper birds. Honeycreepers also have nice long curved bills that fit very nicely into those tubes, and the bird will stick its bill in, be able to drink a bunch of nectar, and then the plant deposits pollen on the bird's forehead, which the bird carries to another plant. Well, most of the native honeycreepers that did this job are now extinct. So what I'm doing is looking at non-native birds that visit these plants, trying to get a sense of how often they visit, and then tracking the flowers that are visited to see if they produce seeds. In cases where they do, we're going to get a real boost to the efforts to conserve and restore some of these species, as well as other species around the world that have experienced pollination disruption. If you're interested in learning anything more about this issue, please feel free to check out the project website right there. Thanks so much for your interest.